Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome back to the Mod Watches channel. So in this video we have another beautiful luxury one-to-one piece that's going out to our client in the United States. This is the second piece that they've ordered from us, so they're absolutely loving these one-to-one luxury watches. What we have here is the Bat Girl. So we have a GMT Master 2 basically with the 3235 D-Dong automatic movement. We've got a GMT hand that's fully working. We also have the ceramic bezel, which you can see is black and blue. And of course, we have this on a Jubilee bracelet, which makes it a Bat Girl. The customer's gone for a Bat Girl, but you can also change this up for an oyster bracelet, where that would then become a Batman. So take a look at this piece, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. The shine on this thing is insane. And of course, it's a beautiful, beautiful sports watch. The second most popular watch in the lineup, just straight after the Panda Daytona. Don't quote me on that, but that's everywhere I've read that is the case. And we can attest to that based on our own sales as well within the Seiko mods. This is definitely up there in terms of popularity. So, what do we have here? We have a 40mm face. We have, of course, the GMT hand. We have the ceramic bezel, red and blue. We have a 50 meters water resistance on this one, so you're fine to splash about in the pool with this. We have loomed indices and loomed hands. We've got a Jubilee bracelet along with a clasp, the normal clasp that you get as well. We have quick adjust on the clasp as well, so you can quickly adjust it to your wrist size. What else do we have? Well, this one is going through insured shipping to the USA, and of course we do deliver worldwide as well. What's the difference between this and our Seiko mods? Well, the big difference is the quality. The quality on these are levels above the Seiko mods. If your budget is around £200 to £300, I would say go for a Seiko mod. We provide the best quality Seiko mods in the game. But if you've got something, if you want to go for something a bit more, you want to go with something which is the best quality, of course, the luxury one-to-one is what you need, and this is one of those examples. This is obviously £500 plus, so if you've got the budget for that, just skip the Seiko mods, go straight for a luxury one-to-one. If you do want to purchase one of these, or you want us to source any other watch, we can source pretty much any watch you like. Hit us up on the link in the description below and have a chat with us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. We also offer a video backed guarantee as well. So what that means is when we receive the watch in our hands, we do a full comprehensive quality check on it. We send you live videos of everything to do with the watch, and basically we sign it off with you before we send it out to you, so that way you're in full control. If for any reason you feel like we've not delivered on our promise, or there's something not right with the watch, absolutely no problem. We'll probably find out before you, and we'll probably tell you and give you your money back anyway if that is the case. But if you feel as though something's not right, and maybe you don't want to go ahead with the watch, that's absolutely fine. You take your money back, we send you the full money back, we keep the watch, and you basically risked nothing. So there's no risk to you. And the reason why we do this is because we really want to make this as accessible as possible for as many people as we can. We understand this is a high price that you're paying for these watches. Obviously it is worth it, but it's a lot of risk, and we want to take that risk for you rather than you having to take that risk. There's a lot of scams in these games, unfortunately, so we've never scammed anyone in our 4 years of business, and we just want to stay away from anything that may come across like that as well. So yeah, that's there for you to take. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section below. But yeah, this one is going out tomorrow, and this is an absolute beauty, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Check out the link in the description below, and we'll be seeing you in the next video.